back from my vacation in Mexico. It was a great vacation, but I have this seat right here. Okay. Time to get back. It's nice outside.
Maybe I'll play some of my video games.
I'm gonna take a selfie real quick. Cheese! Yes, that's a cute selfie.
Take some more. Jump again. The person. I wonder what her username is.
Dun dun dun. Bum bum boom.
Again. A pie?
Oh, wait. Maya?
Wait, is that you, Hannah?
Yeah, what are you doing on the flight?
Oh, I wasn't in Mexico, but I had to go to Mexico because there is no airplane on my vacation.
Ugh, hate when that happens, but I'm so glad to see you. Excuse me, I'm just gonna go use the bathroom. Please make sure nobody takes my seat.
Right.
Bum bum bum. Okay, let's just use the toilet. Okay, done using that. Now just time to wash my hands and we're done. Okay, let me go back on the flight, but I still can't believe that Maya is on the flight. That is great. Oh dear. Where is she? Oh. She's right there. Well, I'm gonna go back to my seat. I think this was...
Hey, sis. The plane is landing.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
So where are we going?
I haven't actually no idea. But just so you know, the bathroom smells disgusting, okay? But I can't believe I haven't seen you for like years.
Yeah.
Since we moved and things.
And then Mom and Dad divorced.
Yeah, so sad.
But I think we're going to Earth now.
Yep, let's just see. Moon.
Will we go to the moon?
How are we gonna get back?
Let me just go get my stuff. We're heading to the moon.
Help me, please. Okay.
We're heading to the moon.
Okay.
Moon.
Okay, I'm gonna come. Okay. I guess we have to go to the moon.
Wow, how did the humans go up?
Whoa. Okay, I can barely breathe. I guess it's fine though, you know, I'm just gonna go. Oh, hey sis.
Oh, I got burned a little.
You okay?
Yeah, so I guess we're taking another vacation.
Yup. Let's just sit down here.
I'm gonna eat. Well, I found this. Oh, I brought my ice with me, so I'll eat some.
You did? Okay. Well, I'm gonna take a nap. Night.
Night. Just wake up this morning. The day goes fast. Moon.
What?
I will. Ow, it hurts.
Sis, do not go in the fire. Ooh, what's over here?
That's the plane. Oh no, it's tucking us in. Ah! Oh, it just put us in the plane. That's what we needed.
Yeah. Some people are having a fight.
Yeah, there was drama of where people were.
No, fighting, but like they were like really fighting, like punching each other and things. Like I don't think.
It's no fun to watch.
Yeah, it's no fun to watch. But let's see what my seat is this time. So it looks like my seat is somewhere in the front. Yours? My seat's over here.
They said since I keep playing video games, that they're gonna kick me off this plane.
This is my seat.
So guys, I gotta go to the moon, and they said they're gonna kick me.
Wait, how about me?
They can't.
Why?
Goodbye.
No! You come back here, girl.
I can't.
Oh, no.
I'm watching some drama. Wow, you punch like a girl. Wow, that's good enough. Move out the way.
Oh no. I mean, me and my sister Maya, we haven't seen each other for years and years. Probably like, I don't know, 5 years and so. Okay.
I wonder if they're gonna let me go back. I haven't seen her in 5 years, I think.
I mean, we haven't seen each other in 5 years, except like.
I think 17 years.
I mean, we haven't seen each other.
Is this what Earth feels like? Is this what it is?
So weird. We just haven't seen each other for years.
They are done.
Wait, Maya? You're back?
Alright, but we have to get out of this plane, and there's a place that has a lot of airplanes that we can drive.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know where I am, but all I know is that weird looking Pikachu is gonna come and eat me, and I don't even know where Sis is. Like, where the heck did she take us? Jeez.
I'm sorry, sis. I heard that this place we respawn if we die. Sis, we gotta run.
I know we gotta run, but it's hard to run when you're gonna have me worrying all about you and where you are, because I don't know where you are.
Don't worry about me.
Of course I gotta worry about you.
When we die in this game, when we die in this world, we come back to life. Who's this?
Oh my gosh! Oh my, it's so dark and scary. What is this?
Pikachu, eat me!
What is this place?
Pikachu, eat me!
I can't stand being here no longer.
I'm getting eaten!
This cannot be a part of reputation. I need to
I got eaten.
fall off.
I got eaten again, sis.
No, girl, no. It's like, how are we going to escape this place without this weirdo Pikachu eating us? Oh my gosh, he's right by me.
I'm running.
Pikachu is right by me!
Sorry, sis, I gotta leave.
Huh.
I'm
Where are you running? Pikachu is after me and you just left me here.
at the hotel.
What? Where? Okay, I'm gonna come try and find you, okay?
Okay, sis. You can sit here.
What is this place?
What?
What is this place, sis?
Yeah, I found a hotel. That was honestly a long swim, but it's alright.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really thirsty and hungry.
I will get the hotel room, okay?
Okay, thank you. Actually, you know what? You don't have to worry. I will get it.
No, I'll get it.
Okay. You could get it. you have a nice person. I'm going to go.
Hey, first before. Hey,
Yeah, what's up?
go in the water, then we're gonna get food, then we're gonna take out this place, then we go to our hotel.
Oh, so I need to go in the water?
Yeah.
This water?
Mhm.
Oh, okay, why?
No, on the slide.
On the water slide, okay. I'll go on it even though I'm really afraid of heights.
You never said that. You said that you loved. And we went to the moon once and we fell from a high and you didn't even scream.
Okay, I'm afraid of water slides a little bit though, okay? Remember, once we got trapped. Do you remember?
You explained to me that was your dream.
Oh, that was weird. That was a weird dream. I must have been like really little back then, because right now, I even forgot about that. So it's great that you remember. Let's just go up here again. No, go on the water side, I guess. Actually, it's not this way. You gotta go up that way. Come on, let's just do a little bit of swimming. Even though I'm getting my new clothes wet. I mean, they're already wet from the long trip here.
Room, please. Hello, welcome to Nova Hotels. My name is Shailene. How may I help you today? Room, please.
Oh no, this was the slide I got stuck in my dreams. I'm gonna go on this blue one. Or I'm gonna go on it. Ouch! I'm gonna sue these people! Jeez, I need to go tell Sis about this right now.
You so much. No problem. Now get out of here. Before I
Sis!
hear his name. Ah!
Sis!
I'm not going in the water. Well, let's go to the house.
Guess what? I need to sue these people. You know what happened? I went on that blue water slide and guess what?
What?
So, it didn't even slide me into the water. Like, it made me go all the way over here. It hurt a lot.
Okay. Let's just go to our room.
Okay, what's our room number?
You'll see.
Okay. What floor is it on?
You'll see.
Okay.
It's on the first floor.
First floor?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, that's fine.
Go to the third floor.
Okay, the third floor, okay. Is this our room? No, okay.
New one.
Oh. Knock knock. Thank you. Ooh, room management. What can you do here? Maybe you can give me like a key card if you click this room management or something.
We hate light.
Yeah, I know.
And we are vampires.
Yeah.
What happened?
Nobody flushed the toilet.
But I flushed it.
Well, I didn't poop.
Flush it.
Jeez. Well, let me check the water. It's nice and hot. So, I think, are we staying one night?
Wherever. Until we die.
Oh my gosh. Because, remember, we're visiting our parents. So, Remember? Don't you remember?
Follow me, sis.
Where?
We're making a run on it.
Oh, geez.
Video.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And yeah, bye guys!